Max, where do clouds come from? Do they start down here on Earth?
The sun warms water from oceans, lakes, and rivers. The water turns into tiny, invisible water vapor and rises into the sky.
So clouds are made of tiny drops of water?
Exactly. And when they become too heavy, rain can fall from them. Clouds help bring rain to plants, animals, and people.
Keep exploring with smart little explorers.